Okay, guys, I'm having this installation. I'm having this renovation. That's me trying to do the demolition. Removing the old pallets. Like seriously. This pallet has tried. I've installed this pallet for over many years now, maybe 5 years. But anyway, I have new flooring system now. That is SPC flooring, and it's very good. Very, very good. Scratchless, waterproofing, soundproofing. Because it has one membrane under that keep noise away. But anyway, that is me putting it to size and making sure that I get it clean. Don't try to make a mistake. Okay? Look at the finishing. It's not bad. I think the finishing is not bad. That's interesting. I love the finishing. I always love his finishing because he has a way that he clips and it's very, very beautiful. Easy to install, not that difficult to install. Once you have your tools and you're patient enough, you can get it done. Look at that. Look at what it's giving me. It's giving me a vibe of sleeping on the floor. Thank you.